Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Audacity internal port audio error on your Windows 10 computer. That it says an error initializing audio, cannot find any audio devices. You will not be able to play or record audio. And then it says error internal port audio error. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off, just make sure that your speaker icon is turned on down here, so make sure the speaker is on, and also that your headphones and speakers are plugged in as well. And then once you've ensured that, you're going to go ahead and open up the start menu, type in services, best result should come back with services. Go ahead and left click on it to open it up. You want to scroll down and locate the Windows Audio service and double click on it. Make sure startup type is set to automatic, and if service status is running, you're going to go ahead and select stop, and then you're going to go ahead and start it back up once it's stopped. Like I said, select start, and then apply and OK. Close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So that was a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.